Hello, today I will be showing a program I made that calculates the probability distribution of dice rolls. So essentially what right now it's doing is, say you have two dice, each with 6 sides. It calculates the probability of when you roll those dice, like the sum of the faces rolled being each number. So there's a higher chance of 7 in the center because there's multiple combinations like 6 1 5 2 4 3, but for 12 there's only 6 6, so there's less combinations. That's why it ends up being a curve that has a higher center. So this program lets you visualize any curve. So you could add another d6, you could add more d6s, and it visualizes the probability and with like percentages too. And then it's not limited to just d6s. You could add d4s, d2s. You could move them, move the d4s, and it has like immense capability. For example, I could add, let's say I want to add 100 d6s. I can just type it in and boom, 100 d6s, and it grabs it instantly. It has a really efficient algorithm that uses convolutions. Now that you get what add and remove do, remove just removes the dice. So like d6, move. And I can remove multiple at a time too, so 100 d6, and they're all gone. But that's not all there is to the program. There's also custom dice. So say I type like, let me undefine it. Let me type. So say I want a dice that doesn't have just numbers in a range on its sides, like, but I want custom numbers. I could define the dice. So like 1, 2, 4, 8. So I'm defining a custom dice that has 4 sides with these values on each side. And then I define it, boom, I have custom dice 1, and I could add this custom dice by saying C1. And I add the custom dice. And just to show you that it's really working, let me remove the d6s. Oops. Let me get rid of the d6s. See 1, 2, 4, 8. And I could even add more, so I could be like, add another more, and then we get this interesting distribution. And then you could even define more dice, so you could be like 1, 1, 10, define, add, and then and you could get these really interesting distributions like this. This is very interesting, and it's fully accurate. Like, it writes the percentages on top and everything, so you can like see all the data, like 6.79%. And yeah, that's pretty much all the features. You can undefine custom dice. You could add several custom dice at a time. And oh, actually, no, there's no custom dice too. But see, even with custom dice, it adds 100 custom dice and graphs it really quick. So yeah, that's the program. It's gonna be linked on my GitHub in the description. Now let me show you the code behind the program. So okay, yeah, here we go. So code, this just chooses which colors, because as you can see, there's sort of a gradient pattern that's happening where higher numbers are pinkish and then lower numbers are bluish. And if you just choose the numbers, this is like some stuff to do with the color gradients, window size. This is like what dice you actually have. And then these are some functions I made to like interpret stuff entered, like 3d6, like 3 dice with 6 sides each. And this is the visualizing code. And yeah, that's pretty much all the code, but it's almost 350 lines, and I spend a lot of time making code like this. So please subscribe and like the video.